Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image in GIMP and duplicating the background layer so you work non-destructively. Once done, zoom to the watermark at 100% or more to see edges clearly. Make sure selection tools will snap to detail. Now choose the clone or healing tool from the toolbox, set a soft brush around 1540 pixels depending on resolution, and pick a clean source area by control-clicking. This gives you immediate control to begin removing pixels precisely. You continue by targeting the watermark with small, deliberate strokes. Use the heal tool when surrounding texture matters because it blends lighting and grain. For flat or uniform areas, the clone tool copies exact pixels, which preserves pattern. Once you pick a source with control-click, paint slowly and resample often to avoid repeating patterns. Make sure to vary brush hardness and size as you move along the mark. This prevents obvious patches and keeps transitions natural. Observe edges and refine. You finish by refining edges and matching grain so the repaired area reads as part of the image. Once satisfied, apply slight blur or add noise to match surrounding texture, and then flatten or merge visible to finalize. Save a copy as XCF to keep layers, and export a final image as PNG or JPEG. If something looks off, use undo, paint on a layer mask, or restore the duplicate and resample. This troubleshooting keeps changes reversible and prevents quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.